choice, so I'll make a wrong turn. I'm feeling lost and afraid when I hear my angel calling, recalculate. Well, I gotta pay attention, 'cause it's powerful stuff. I gotta turn it on, and I gotta turn it up, 'cause every time I do it, you know I'm guaranteed success. She's my Bible, she's my buddy, she's my personal GPS. Playboy, I think I will. Well, I'm floating lost and lonely, I'm drifting in the dark. Will I ever find a harbor? I don't see it on the chart. With some saying no, but someone else is whispering yes, yes, yes. She's my Bible, she's my buddy, she's my personal GPS. Yes, she is. She's my Bible, she's my buddy, crystal clear and never muddy. She's my Watson, she's my Tonto, never tardy, always pronto. She's my Sherpa, she's my guide, never runs and never hide. Truly awesome, she's the best. She's my personal GPS. My personal GPS. She's my personal GPS. Yes, she is. My personal GPS. Yes, yes.
Woohoo!
Well, thank you very much. Today is my birthday. And what a great way to spend it.
Aww.
Just wrote a really fun tune with my friend Karen Taylor Good and Stowe Shockey. Song about life. I'm not going to do it for you. I don't know. We just wrote it. But that's a great way to spend your birthday. Really.
Yep.
But I want to do the song for you. Kind of like my story. I'm guessing some of y'all can relate to it. You know, how often do you put off stuff that you've always wanted to do, and you say, one of these days I'm going to learn guitar, or one of these days I'll start an exercise program, or one of these days I'll read this book, whatever. This is one of those days song. It's called If Not Now, When? When I was a young boy, I had these dreams. Time didn't matter, or so it seemed. Now I'm still a dreamer, like I was back then. But time keeps screaming, it's not now when. 100 heartaches and broken down planks. So many what ifs, and what if we can't? My fear held me captive, caged in a pen. It's time to break free, boy. It's not now when. It's not now when. It's not me who. I can't pretend, 'cause I know it's true.